Hello friends, welcome to Building Web App YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about the custom directive in Angular. So in this example I have created one login form. Whenever I reload this page, you can see the input is autofocus. When I click outside, autofocus is gone. Okay, let me show once again. If I reload this page, see the email input field is autofocus. I click outside, it is gone. Okay, so how I have achieved this using the custom directive. Okay, so inside the project under the custom directive folder, I have created one login component and one uh, directive. Okay, so this is the directive file, and yeah, let me walk through the code first. So this is the two input field. Okay, and I have given the app autofocus, so which is a directive. Okay, so this is the selector, so this is the name I have given in the HTML input tag. Okay, that is why this autofocus is working on this particular input. Okay, so inside the directive I have written this dot element. So this is the input tag element, so which is a native element, and I am using the focus method. Okay, so this is nothing but the simple directive to focus the particular tag, right? Autofocus. Okay, so I have just given the name. So will get whenever the page loads, it will get focused. Okay, when and if the user click outside, it will be gone. Okay, so this is a simple illustration example for the uh, directive, which is a custom directive. Okay, if you like this video, please do subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.